This video, we're going to be discussing Objective 7 from 1.1, where we are going to add and subtract decimals. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit on the PDF to give me more room to write. So the first problem asked me to add in columns 4.1, 2.8, and 8.6. Carry that decimal point down. If I add this first column, I get 15. I add that second column, I also get 15. So I get an answer of 15.5. The next one asked me to add 528.12, 14.2, 85.11, 28. There's an invisible decimal there. So there's going to be 2 zeros there and a 0 there that are hiding. We just go ahead and add those so everything goes out to the 100th spot to make it easier to add. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Carry down the decimal. 12, 17, 25. 4, 5, 13, 15. And we end up with 655.43. Next, they ask us to round to the tens place and estimate the sum. That's going to be 40 and 30 and 0 and 0. So my estimated sum is going to be 70. Now we're going to start subtracting, and they ask us to subtract 6.6 from 29. So that means that 6.6 is the part that comes after the subtraction sign. We need to borrow. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2, and I get 22.4. When they tell us to find the difference, we don't switch the order. 63 is the first number. 28.5 is the number after the subtraction sign. Add that 0. Borrow. Borrow again. And we get 34.5. This last problem tells us to use a calculator. We want to use a scientific calculator in this class. You could have just used a standard calculator here as well, but I just want you to get used to the scientific calculator. I'm going to use the Windows calculator here just because it's easy and convenient. You can use any of the scientific calculators that are recommended for your course, whatever your teacher allows you to use, or there may be a calculator available to you within my labs if your teacher has enabled that for certain problems. It's one of the ways that we can give you a calculator on the test. And it usually opens up this Windows calculator for you, which is why I am practicing with that one right now. So minus 89. 422.29, like so. And we get an answer of, make sure that you see that this is in dollars and cents. So this is $103,560.65. One of the nice things about the Windows calculator is it does show the commas in there for you for readability to help you with the place values. Other calculators are not going to put those commas in there because commas mean things to those calculators that separate items and lists and things. So that is it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about Objective 8 from section 1.1. I'll see you for the next video.